everyone! Join me here, let's draw Christmas ball decorations. These round, shiny ornaments hang on Christmas trees and come in all kinds of beautiful colors and patterns. Alright, let's go! Decorating Christmas trees with ornaments is a tradition that started in the 16th century. What's the most beautiful ornament you've ever seen? What did it look like? Nice! That's great to see! Did you know that people used to decorate trees with fruits like apples before Christmas balls were invented? Definitely, they appear to be very tasty. Some Christmas ornaments are hand-painted and can take hours to create. Fantastic! Our Christmas ball decorations look beautiful already. Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's make it as vibrant and festive as possible. Some Christmas balls have glitter or metallic finishes to make them sparkle under tree lights. What other decorations do you love seeing on Christmas trees? You can make your own ornaments using paper, paint, or even clay. That would be exciting. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Would you name your ornament something fun? What name would you choose? Where would you hang this decoration? On the top, middle, or bottom of the tree? So nice! Our Christmas ball decorations are shining bright, just like a real Christmas tree. Share our masterpiece and tell them all about our designs. I'm so grateful that you drew with me today. I'll see you soon.